Ezenwa. So we checked in at Best Western in Asaba. Chief! Jogi. My king, see how he's chilling, you know? In a netball. Who is playing? You know?
African Cup of Nations.
Okay, the clima is on. The room is quiet, clean. We even have a balcony. Rania. Oh, let me look for the curtain. Look for ya. Asaba is beautiful, but there's too many ukus here. There's no uku in Asaba in the name, but Ezenwa is busy. He even bought himself new glass. Ezenwa. With your glasses. Are you Yahoo boy? Or are you school boy? Huh?
Are you boy?
No.
Or are you?
So he can look. Abi? Chief, it's not a lie. Oh, the best thing about this room, you see this door? Watch. Family hotel. Uchenna! Uche! Uche Bobo, like hello?
Hello.
So the kids have their room and we have our room. It's connected. So we are enjoying our time before we have to go back. Let's chill small. Okay? What do you thought? You know, we are in Cloudvista. And before they serve the drinks, there's a compliment from the kitchen for the kids. Ice cream. Look at this place. This one here.
Mama, ich wollte auskochen.
Ich könnte ja noch duschen.
War doch mit Ananas. Einfach probieren.
Yeah. It's good. Abiano, you want to make cheers? Hi. Ezenwa, you and your Asaba.
Asaba, Waka.
Not over. Whatever.